রাস্তায় আমি উনি অনেক হেল্প করেছেন, আমি আর কাদা ছড়াছড়িতে যাচ্ছি না।
আপনি
উনি
কি চাইছেন বলুন?
Filing any application, Lordship recall the.
Nothing has been filed. The court is taking suo motu cognizance that the appeal committee is not there.
No, Lordship, otherwise.
ট্রান্সজেন্ডার পার্সন অ্যান্ড আমার
সেটা তো হাইলাইট করার দরকার
উনি
নেই।
এত টাইম চাইছেন, আমি লাস্ট 9 মান্থ টার্মিনেটেড, এবং আমার টার্মিনেশনে আপনি যদি এই পেজ নাম্বার।
Madam, for the prisoner, my lord, I tender my unconditional apology, my lord.
I am for the district primary school council.
Accepting your apology.
My lord, without informing me, the matter has been mentioned, my lord. I was having no
Advocate should take responsibility of these things. If the advocates do not take the responsibility, in no time, y'all will be out of the court. Do you want that?
I'm retiring myself from this matter, my lord, because of
Whether you are
personal-
retiring or not, as it is, she has mentioned that this has come from the legal aid services.
my lord.
And if
Sir,
you
I'll
want to
intimate that-
retire, then it's a very bad indication.
My lord, I have been repeatedly called by her, my lord, and my lord, I have communicated your ladyship's order to the board, my lord. They have also made a communication. They are taking steps, my lord. Kindly peruse this document, my lord. Your
What
ladyship-
was her prayer?
My lord,
Why has it come up in the list? What was her prayer?
my lord, she is saying that she intend to file an appeal against your ladyship's order. my
Very
lord.
well, sir. Let the appeal be filed. Why has it been mentioned over here?
She never asked me for do so, my lord. She never discussed the matter with me,
Inquire
my lord.
from her. Inquire what she wants.
My lord, your ladyship has given 90 days time, my lord, to the appellate authority. Let them do their job, my lord. If they will not do it within the stipulated time, well,
That is something else.
my lord.
The petitioner always has a right to prefer an appeal if the litigant is not satisfied with the order passed by the learned trial judge.
Until and unless I'll get the instruction, my lord, what I can do. She never disclosed all these things to me, my lord. Straight away, she came to your ladyship and mentioned the matter, my lord.
Oh, what is it?
Here it is written, madam, may I communicate in my mother tongue?
Yes, yes.
ম্যাডাম, ওই দুপাতার আপনার জাজমেন্ট যেটা 16ই আগস্ট আপনি দিয়েছিলেন, লাস্ট লাইনে লেখা আছে দ্য ম্যাটার ইজ ডিসপোজড অফ, অ্যান্ড যেহেতু ম্যাটার ডিসপোজড অফ এবং লিগাল এড ওনাকে অ্যাপয়েন্ট করেছিল, উনি বলেছেন যে ওনার কাজ হ্যাজ বিন ডান, এবং উনি আমাকে SMS করে ইত্যাদি জানিয়েছিলেন, এবং কমিউনিকেশনের রাস্তায় উনি অনেক হেল্প করেছেন, আমি আর কাদা ছড়াছড়িতে যাচ্ছি না।
আপনি কি চাইছেন বলুন?
ম্যাডাম, আই ওয়ান্ট দ্যাট
বাংলাতে বলতে পারেন।
ম্যাডাম, আমি চাইছি 12 উইকের মধ্যে আপনি যেরকম অর্ডার দিয়েছিলেন, দুর্গা খৈতান চেয়ারপারসন অফ অ্যাপিলেট অথরিটি অফ বোর্ড জানিয়েছেন উনি কোনো হিয়ারিংই করতে পারবেন না, অর্ডার দেওয়া দূরের কথা। তো এইটা যেন আপনি একটা অর্ডার দেন যে উনি সিঙ্গেল মানে একাই যেন হিয়ারিং শোনেন। উনি বলছেন যেহেতু স্কুল এডুকেশন ডিপার্টমেন্ট এখনো ফুল প্যানেল অ্যাপয়েন্ট করেনি, উনি করবেন না, কোনো হিয়ারিংই উনি অ্যারেঞ্জ করবেন না, শুনবেনও না। এবারে আমি একজন ট্রান্সজেন্ডার পার্সন ম্যাডাম। ম্যাডাম, আমি for last 9 months terminated with 0 salary and only
So on 7/8/2024 was ordered that it will be heard after the formation of committee. So my name is.
How many members are there in this committee?
I do not know, Mother.
You do not, where is the board?
committee last 5 years
Where is the board? Where is the board? কোথায় গেল? Please, who is appearing? No, I want the board.
Online, Mother.
Mr. Gaurav Das is not appearing for the board. Try to
But I am for the
understand.
council.
Where is Mr. Biswas? He was here just now. Call him. Call him. Call him. I'm passing it over. Let him come.
ম্যাডাম, একটা অ্যাপিল ছিল, যিনি শোনেন এই কারেকশনের যে ম্যাটারটা লাস্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ।
আমি পরে শুনছি। Yes, 3, hearing and adjudication before the committee as soon as the same is constituted. Parties are in. Immediately means when?
Give me some more time, lordship.
Oh, within 7 days?
No, 7 days.
My lord, within 7.
No, I won't see because this has been placed before me, 27th of August, the chairperson's communication, which has been forwarded to the
My-
petitioner.
Because I tell you, Lordship, January 23rd, the chairman was, my lord, transferred from the board. January 23rd,
23rd January was a working day.
January 2023,
Oh, in January 23.
from the, my lord.
But then
Now there is
it
a
mentions that the
My lord, their committee cannot be constituted. That is why there is a, my lord, late.
there is an appeal committee which is not functioning from July 2022. What is the use? All appeals becomes infructuous
My-
when the appellate authority does not exist.
Yeah.
If there is no appeal, no appeal.
But it is one appeal, and I'm not on. My lord, your Lordship, my lord.
I'll keep it on next Monday. Give me the constitution of the committee.
But here, lordship, them,
Probably, my lord,
No court will be there.
appeal committee. My lord, for, formation of the appeal committee.
नहीं है ना,
There
क्या
is, my lord, has to be a meeting of the ad hoc committee.
Yes, you say it will be done immediately.
Yes.
Can you do not, it's on Monday, my lord,
Next following one day
following Monday, your Lordship, my lord.
and a fortnight.
But lordship, this matter is to dispose of, no, lord.
Absolutely disposed of matter. This order will become unworkable if the committee is not there.
My lord.
But lordship, without lordship filing any application, lordship recall the.
Nothing has been filed. The court is taking suo motu cognizance that the appeal committee is not there.
No, lordship,
And
otherwise,
if you
lordship.
want judicial orders to be passed, I'll pass it. But I'm not doing anything. I'm just keeping it pending because it will remain pending in.
No, lordship,
Even if-
I am telling you,
even
lordship,
if-
I am telling if the matter is disposed of, lordship, if the
Yes.
lordship reopen the, otherwise, lordship, as per the lordship, I'm telling you, matter to dispose of, lordship, online file application, that is better in all the parts, lordship.
No, I will not
They
pass
will
any
be
order.
able
I'll
to
simply
comply
keep
with
it on the
the
list on 17th.
Contempt file karo,
Compliance will not be done.
17th.
contempt file karo.
It's very easy, Mr. Boisho.
No, lord, I am not, but
advice.
here, lordship, otherwise.
I will give leave to file contempt and you bear the
Madam, 1 minute,
expenses.
please.
No, I am not, lord, but board, lordship, here, lordship,
Whoever.
state is the lord.
The respondents, I'll make
Yes.
them pay the costs. So don't make all these submissions. আপনি কি আর কিছু বলছিলেন?
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
কি বলছিলেন?
ম্যাডাম আমি ট্রান্সজেন্ডার পার্সন এন্ড আমার
সেটা
4
তো
5 মান্থ
highlight
ফ্যামিলি
করার দরকার
উনি
নেই।
এত টাইম চাইছেন আমি লাস্ট 9 মান্থ টার্মিনেটেড এবং আমার টার্মিনেশনে আপনি যদি এই পেজ নাম্বার গুলো দেখেন
আমি
আরটিআই এর
ওগুলো সব দেখেছি। আমি ওগুলো সব দেখেছি। অ্যাপিল কমিটিতে কনস্টিটিউট হোক, তারপর যা হবার হবে। তার আগে তো কিছু হবে না।
হ্যাঁ ইয়েস
ওয়েট করুন।
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাডাম
Yes,
The matter will appear, lordship, after
17th of September.
But I am for the
Today
district
is only
primary.
second, Tuesday.
lordship, give me the 18, lordship.
No,
No, lordship, 18 due.
you are not required. The board will do.
টাইম দেবেন না
Why?
ম্যাডাম
Ah.
17 is the lordship. Our lordship, Puja lordship, one Puja lordship there. So lordship, give me 18. 18 lordship, give me the. 17 is the Puja. 18.
18,
18. 18.
18, 18th.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.